Bingo, bingo. So he has a mass 1. This is the before. Velocity 1 plus mass 2, velocity 2. This is Olaf, and this is the ball. It's going to be equal to m1. Actually, since he's catching it, m1 plus m2 times v final. Your goal is to find v final. Note here that if the Olaf is not moving at first, that's just 0 velocity. So you know what the mass of the ball is, you know its velocity, you know their total mass, and you can solve for their final mass. Now, if he bounces, this one's a little trickier, okay? If it bounces off his chest and horizontally in the opposite direction, you're still going to have the same equation, m1 v1 Olaf plus m2 v2 ball, but that's going to be equal to m1 v1 Olaf plus m2 v2. Now, this is the ball. So the ball is going to have a speed of, well, let's do this. We know the ball speed is 12, right? So this will be 0.4 times 12 equals Olaf mass 68.7 times v final. That's what you're trying to find. Plus the mass of the ball, 0.4. And what's his velocity? When it says it's coming back at 8.1, important, it's negative 8.1. And now you have an equation right here, and you can solve for v final of Olaf.